In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AdBlock in Brave browser. Brave blocks ads and trackers by default using a feature called Shields. That's great for privacy, but sometimes a site won't load correctly or asks you to turn off ad blocking. I'll show you how to switch Brave's ad and tracker blocking off globally, quickly, and safely, so you can get on with what you need to do. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure any important tabs are saved or bookmarked, just in case you plan to come back and turn protections back on later. Next, look to the top right corner of Brave's window and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu. It's the quickest way to reach the browser's controls and preferences without digging around. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated tab where all of Brave's options live. We'll stay in here for a moment to update the protection level. On the left-hand side of the settings page, click Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in system for blocking ads, trackers, and other unwanted content. Think of it as the central switchboard for your browsing protections. Inside Shields, find the section labeled Trackers and Ads Blocking. This is the specific control that determines how Brave handles advertising and tracking scripts across all websites. You'll see modes that control the level of blocking. To fully turn off ad and tracker blocking, select Disabled. This tells Brave to stop filtering ads and trackers globally. The change takes effect immediately. There's no need to restart the browser. If you already have a site open that requested ad blocking to be disabled, just refresh that page and it should load as expected, now with ads allowed. A quick note on what this means. With Disabled selected, you may see more ads and websites might load additional tracking scripts. That can impact privacy and page clutter, so consider this a setting to use when you truly need it. If you only want to pause ad blocking temporarily, you can come back to this same setting later and choose a stronger protection level again. Another tip: if you prefer not to change things for every site, Brave also offers per-site controls from the Shields icon next to the address bar, which you can use without adjusting the global setting. That's it. Ad and tracker blocking is now turned off in Brave. Remember to revisit this setting when you're done so you can restore your preferred level of protection. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.